Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to share with you this review from this makeup foundation. It is the new one, the new formula of Revlon Colorstay. And at the same time I'm going to do this one of the concealer with the same name. I'm going to start by showing you the bottle. It is a very heavy bottle, a glass bottle, but here you have this plastic top on top, and I have chosen the color 2000 Nude. You already know that this foundation is not new. I mean, the new formula, yes, is new, but in the past, this is a very old drugstore foundation that everybody enjoy. And now at the moment it has got like two different ways. You have the normal dry skin and you have got the oily or mixed skin. I have chosen the normal dry skin because at the moment my skin is quite after my Roaccutane treatment. And let's get started. As I have told you before, I'm going to review it and test it out during 10 hours. I'm going to use this beauty blender to apply it. I have already prepared my skin. I have applied sunscreen and this primer, Clarins Balm, Beauty Flash Balm. And let's see if I have chosen the right color. Well, this is the texture.
Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get.
I have to say that the smell is pleasant. It doesn't smell really strong. I really like it. It doesn't cover a lot. I mean, it covers, but you can see all my imperfection. As the weather is really hot at the moment, I use less foundation than normally.
I was at the wrong place at the right time.
And as I told you before, I'm going to talk about application, blendability, pigmentation, coverage, longevity, and finally my final thoughts, as always. And regarding the application, it's really easy and I feel like it's way less. I really like it. I should apply a bit more, I think, because you know that I like more coverage, but only half pump. To see how it goes. So the coverage is buildable from medium to high if you want to. I only want to use 2 layers of foundation, but if you would like to have more, even more coverage, you could use 3 layers of it. Regarding the price of this foundation, it's only 12 euros. As I told you before, it's a drugstore foundation, so this price is normal for a drugstore foundation. And I think that the color, it suits me. I think so. I don't know if this will oxidate it. I'm going to try and tell you later. Okay, now that I have used it, now I'm going to use the concealer, okay? This is a full coverage concealer, and I have chosen the shade 020 Bisque. I think it's the lightest that they had in the shop, in the drugstore shop. But I don't think it's, I don't know. It's the same color as the foundation, as you can see. If you would like to use it like a highlighter, you should use one shade lighter than the shade of your foundation, just in case you want to have it like that. Okay, so now I'm going to set the foundation with this Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfection Micro Powder Charlotte Tilbury. But I'm going to set only the center. Where I know that I'm going to shine a lot. And I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and I will come back with you to talk about the rest of the things that I want to show you. I have already did my makeup, as you can see. This is the daily makeup that I use. You have here, I'm going to put the link of my everyday makeup. And now I'm ready to go. I will come back with you within 10 hours, more or less. Yes, more or less. I'm going to go to work and so on. So see you later. Bye. Hi again, my people. As you can see, it's late. I mean, after 9 hours of wearing this makeup, I think everything went really well. I have promised you that I'm going to tell you my final thoughts about it, and I think that this foundation, it's a very, very, very good one. There are no sign of patching, only it rubbed off on my nose, but it is normal because I have worn the mask during 8 hours, so I think it's normal. I have been wearing the mask all the time, so I think that it's normal that it rubbed a bit on my nose, but as you can see, the rest of my face is perfect. And yes, and about the concealer, thumbs up for the concealer. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I think this foundation is really nice. It didn't oxidize, so I think that it's okay. And yes, these are my final thoughts about it. I think it's a very good one. Revlon Colorstay did a very good job, and the most important thing is the fact that you can find 30 shades or 32 shades, I'm not really sure about it, and it's not expensive. That's mainly important, that is not expensive. For 12 euros in the drugstore, I think it's a very, very nice foundation. It has the quality of a high-end foundation. So I was pleasantly surprised by it. and I think that I could say that I can recommend it to you guys. And I wanted to thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and see you on my next video. Goodbye guys, bye bye.